You know that feeling? You're trying to open a jar, and your hands just don't have the grip they used to. Or you re-walking up the stairs, and your legs feel like they VE turned into rubber bands. Maybe you VE notice that occasional tingling in your fingers, or that unsteady feeling when you stand up too quickly. If you're nodding right now, you're not alone. I've spoken to so many people in their 60s, 70s, even 80s who say the same thing. I just want my strength back. I want to feel steady on my feet. I don't want to depend on anyone for the little things. And the truth is, a lot of these issues, the weakness, the tingling, the slower recovery after activity, are tied to something most people never think about: collagen. Now, I know when you hear collagen, you might think of beauty creams or supplements for younger skin. But collagen isn't just about looking good. It's about functioning well. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps your joints cushioned, your muscles supported, and your nerves protected. Without enough of it, you can feel stiff, unstable, and even develop nerve-related symptoms like tingling or numbness. Here's the hopeful part. Your body can still make collagen even as you get older. You just have to give it the right building blocks. And some of the most powerful sources of those building blocks are right in your kitchen. In everyday vegetables you might already know, but perhaps aren't eating in the right way or enough of. But before we get into those 8 incredible vegetables, let us talk for a moment about what's actually happening in your body as the years go by. As we age, our body's collagen production naturally slows down. It's like having a repair crew that's losing workers. The fixes get slower, and the wear and tear starts to show. The cushions in your joints get thinner, the connective tissue in your muscles gets weaker, and your nerves don't have the same protection they used to. That's why movements feel less stable, and why little injuries or strains seem to take longer to heal. And there's another piece to this puzzle: circulation. Poor blood flow means the nutrients you do eat aren't always getting to the areas that need them most. That's like ordering repair materials for your home, but the delivery truck never makes it to the job site. Here's the good news. When you choose the right foods, you can boost your body's ability to make and protect collagen. You can improve circulation so those nutrients reach your joints and muscles. And you can start to feel more steady, more confident, and more independent in your daily life. Collagen, in simple terms, is the glue that holds us together. In fact, the word collagen comes from the Greek word which literally means glue. It's found in your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, even your blood vessels. Think of it as the scaffolding inside your body that keeps everything firm and connected. Without enough collagen, that scaffolding weakens, and you start to notice it in your hands, legs, and overall mobility. Now here's where a lot of people make a mistake. They think collagen can only come from animal sources: bone broth, fish skin, or supplements. But the truth is, collagen is made from amino acids and nutrients your body gets from many plant foods, especially certain vegetables. These vegetables contain vitamin C, vitamin A, antioxidants, and minerals that your body uses to make its own collagen. That's not only effective, it's sustainable and gentle on your system. And today, we're going to talk about 8 specific vegetables that are surprisingly powerful for collagen support, each with its own way of helping your body strengthen your joints, muscles, and nerves. I'll also share easy, senior-friendly ways to prepare them so they fit seamlessly into your daily meals. Before we dive into the first one here, something to keep in mind. It's not about eating all of these vegetables every single day. It's about adding them into your week consistently. So over time, your body gets a steady supply of collagen-boosting nutrients. You might start with just 1 or 2, and that's perfectly fine. Let's start with one of the simplest and most accessible collagen allies: spinach. Sweet potatoes aren't just a tasty, comforting side dish. They're a skin and joint health powerhouse. The rich orange color comes from beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a key nutrient for skin repair. But here's where it gets exciting for collagen. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin C and antioxidants that protect collagen from breaking down due to free radicals. Plus, the natural sugars in sweet potatoes are released slowly, avoiding the spikes in blood sugar that can damage collagen fibers over time. For seniors, this means less inflammation in the joints and more supple skin. You can roast them, mash them, or even add them to smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-dense boost. Next, let us talk about kale, the leafy green that truly earns the title of superfood. Kale is packed with vitamin C, chlorophyll, and copper, a mineral that plays a vital role in the cross-linking of collagen fibers. It's making them stronger and more resilient. As we age, collagen fibers can become brittle, but copper helps keep them flexible and elastic. Kale also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your skin from UV damage. One of the biggest collagen destroyers. Eating kale regularly may mean fewer wrinkles and a reduced risk of joint stiffness. Lightly steaming kale helps preserve its vitamin C, while softening its texture for easier digestion. Red bell peppers, often underestimated, but they're one of the richest sources of vitamin C in the entire vegetable kingdom. Just half a cup of chopped red bell pepper gives you more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. And remember, vitamin C is the cofactor your body absolutely needs to make collagen. They're also high in capsaicinoids, which improve circulation and help deliver collagen-building nutrients right to your skin and connective tissues. For best results, eat them raw in salads, slice them as snacks, or lightly to keep that vitamin C intact. And here's a surprise. Tomatoes. They're not just good for your heart. They're collagen defenders. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a red plant pigment, that works as an antioxidant shield for your skin. Studies show that lycopene helps reduce collagen breakdown caused by sunlight and oxidative stress. Plus, tomatoes also provide vitamin C for collagen production. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes increases lycopene availability. So a bowl of tomato soup or a slow-cooked sauce can actually be more collagen protective than raw tomatoes. Celery, the hydration hero for collagen now. Let us talk about a vegetable that many people overlook because they think it's just water. But celery is far from just water. It's a hydration hero and an underrated collagen supporter. First, yes, celery is around 95% water. But that water comes packaged with electrolytes like potassium and sodium in perfect natural balance. This is important because proper hydration is critical for collagen synthesis. Your body is dehydrated. It can't effectively transport the amino acids and nutrients needed to build collagen fibers. Celery is also a good source of vitamin K, which indirectly supports collagen by keeping your blood vessels healthy. Healthy circulation means your skin, joints, and connective tissues get more of the building blocks they need. Plus, celery contains apigenin, a plant compound that has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of collagen's worst enemies. It speeds up the breakdown of collagen fibers. It's making skin thinner and joints weaker. An interesting bonus? Celery is rich in silica, a trace mineral that plays a role in strengthening connective tissue, tendons, and ligaments. Silica helps the body use calcium effectively, which supports bone health, a vital concern after 60. How to enjoy celery for collagen? Snack on celery sticks with a hummus or a nut butter dip. Add celery to fresh green juices for a hydrating, skin-friendly boost. Toss chopped celery into soups, stews, or stir-fries for added crunch and nutrients. Red bell peppers. Vitamin C powerhouses. If you want to protect and produce collagen, you cannot ignore red bell peppers. In fact, they are one of the richest sources of vitamin C on the planet, outpacing even oranges in some cases. Vitamin C is the essential nutrient for collagen production, because it's a cofactor in the enzymes that link collagen's amino acids together, forming the strong triple helix structure that keeps skin firm and joints flexible. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot make quality collagen. But red bell peppers don't stop at vitamin C. They're loaded with carotenoids, particularly beta-carotene and capsanthin, which give them that vibrant red color. These antioxidants protect collagen from free radical damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, and stress. Another benefit is their anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a key driver of skin aging, joint stiffness, and collagen breakdown. By eating red bell peppers regularly, you're essentially putting an anti-aging shield in place for your collagen. How to enjoy red bell peppers for collagen? Eat them raw for maximum vitamin C, perfect in salads or as crunchy snacks. Now, let us turn our attention to a leafy green that has earned the title of a nutritional powerhouse: spinach. While spinach might not contain collagen itself, it contains a range of nutrients that help your body produce and protect collagen naturally. One of the most important components in spinach is vitamin C. This nutrient is essential for collagen synthesis because it acts as a cofactor for the enzymes that stabilize and cross-link collagen fibers. Without vitamin C, your body simply can't produce collagen effectively, no matter how much protein you eat. Spinach is also loaded with antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These protect your skin cells from oxidative stress, which is a major cause of collagen breakdown. Think of them as bodyguards that shield your collagen from environmental and internal damage. Another lesser-known benefit of spinach is its rich magnesium content. Magnesium supports hundreds of enzymatic processes in the body, including those that repair DNA and build structural proteins like collagen and elastin. And here's a tip. When you lightly steam spinach instead of boiling it, you preserve more of its vitamin C and antioxidant content. Pairing it with a healthy fat like olive oil or avocado also increases the absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants. Incorporating spinach into your daily meals is easy. Toss it into smoothies, stir it into soups, or eat it with garlic for a quick side dish. Over time, the combination of vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals will help maintain your collagen levels and keep your joints, skin, and connective tissues strong.
Asparagus.
Asparagus might not be as famous as broccoli or kale, but it deserves a place on your collagen-protecting vegetable list, especially after 60. This elegant vegetable is a surprising source of silica, a trace mineral that plays a role in collagen formation. Silica is often overlooked, but it's essential for keeping skin elastic, nails strong, and joints resilient. Asparagus also provides vitamin K, which indirectly supports collagen health by aiding in bone mineralization. Remember, collagen makes up a large portion of bone structure. And without enough vitamin K, calcium and collagen can't work together effectively to maintain bone density. Another key nutrient in asparagus is glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen fibers from oxidative stress. It's like having a built-in repair system that constantly works to minimize collagen damage from free radicals. For the best nutrient retention, asparagus should be lightly steamed or roasted. Overcooking can degrade its delicate antioxidants. Pairing asparagus with lemon juice not only enhances flavor, but adds extra vitamin C for collagen production. So, if you're looking for a vegetable that is both elegant on the plate and supportive of your body's structure, asparagus is an excellent choice. Roast them and blend into soups for a rich, sweet flavor. Slice them into stir-fries for a colorful, nutrient-dense boost. Another remarkable collagen-supporting vegetable is garlic hues. It's that humble kitchen staple you've probably been using for flavor all your life. What many people don't know is that garlic contains a compound called sulfur, which is essential for the formation of collagen. Sulfur plays a vital role in protecting collagen fibers from damage and helping your body rebuild them more efficiently. Garlic also contains taurine and lipoic acid, two powerful compounds that help repair damaged collagen fibers, especially in aging joints and skin. For people over 60, this is a game changer because your natural collagen breakdown accelerates with age. Including garlic in your meals is one of the easiest ways to boost collagen production naturally. Here's the best part. It doesn't take much. Studies suggest that even 2 to 3 cloves of garlic a day can have a noticeable effect over time. The key is to crush or chop the garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking or eating it raw. This allows the compound allicin to form, which amplifies garlic's health benefits. Now, you might be thinking, but won't my breath smell? True, but that's a small price to pay for stronger joints, smoother skin, and healthier hair. And here's a tip. Pairing garlic with fresh parsley or chewing fennel seeds afterward can help neutralize the odor while keeping your breath fresh. Garlic can be added to nearly any dish soups, stews, roasted vegetables, or even blended into a salad dressing with olive oil and lemon juice. And if you want to really maximize the benefits, try pairing garlic with collagen-rich vegetables like spinach or kale in the same meal. This combination helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively, leading to even better results. So the next time you're cooking, don't just sprinkle in a little garlic, make it a star ingredient in your recipes. It's one of the simplest, most affordable, and most powerful anti-aging foods you can eat. Now let's talk about spinach, a leafy green that's often underrated when it comes to collagen support. Most people think of spinach as just iron, for blood health, but its nutrient profile makes it a hidden gem for your skin, joints, and connective tissues, especially after 60. Spinach is loaded with vitamin C, which, as we discussed earlier, is an essential cofactor in the production of collagen. Without enough vitamin C, collagen synthesis slows dramatically. This is why people who are vitamin C deficient often develop skin that bruises easily, gums that bleed, and wounds that heal. Slowly, it's all connected to collagen breakdown. But spinach's benefits go far beyond just vitamin C. It's rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in skin cell turnover, meaning your skin can regenerate more quickly and stay elastic. After the age of 60, this is vital to keep wrinkles from deepening and to maintain that youthful glow. Spinach also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that specifically protect your skin and eyes from oxidative stress caused by UV rays and environmental toxins. Think of them as a shield that keeps collagen fibers from breaking down prematurely. And here's something many people don't know: spinach is also a good source of plant-based copper. Copper is another mineral needed for collagen cross-linking. Without it, the collagen fibers you produce would be weak and unstable. For people over 60, copper deficiency can lead to sagging skin, brittle hair, and even joint instability. You can enjoy spinach raw in salads, but lightly steaming it actually boosts the bioavailability of certain antioxidants, while still preserving vitamin C. Try adding it to omelets, soups, or blending it into a green smoothie with pineapple and cucumber for a double boost of collagen-supporting nutrients. Before we move on, here's an important tip. Pair spinach with a source of healthy fat like olive oil, avocado, or nuts because vitamin A and other carotenoids in spinach are fat-soluble, meaning your body can only absorb them when eaten with fat. This simple pairing can dramatically improve the skin and joint benefits you get from each serving. Beyond the individual vegetables, let's talk about how to maximize collagen benefits in your daily meals. The truth is, collagen production in your body is like a complex recipe. It needs the right mix of ingredients. If you only eat collagen-rich foods but lack supporting nutrients, the process slows down. For example, vitamin C is a critical cofactor in collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't form strong collagen fibers. That's why pairing collagen-rich vegetables with foods like bell peppers, citrus fruits, or strawberries is a smart move. Equally important is zinc, a mineral that acts as a catalyst for collagen production. Vegetables like spinach and pumpkin are good sources, but you can also add nuts, seeds, or legumes to your plate for an extra boost. And let's not forget about protein. While vegetables are incredible for collagen support, your body still needs amino acids from other sources to build the collagen structure. Eggs, fish, and plant-based proteins like lentils can help complete the puzzle. The key takeaway? Think of collagen-rich vegetables as the foundation, and then add the supporting nutrients to build a stronger, healthier you. Let's quickly recap the collagen-rich vegetables we covered today. Spinach rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and plant-based iron. Kale, packed with vitamin K, C, and compounds that protect skin elasticity. Pumpkin, loaded with beta-carotene for skin repair and zinc for collagen activation. Sweet potatoes, a powerhouse of vitamin A, essential for collagen regeneration. And remember the supporting nutrients: vitamin C from fruits, zinc from seeds and nuts, and protein from varied sources to make collagen production truly effective. If you're over 60, including these vegetables regularly can help you maintain joint strength, skin firmness, and overall vitality. Never too late to start nourishing your collagen. Your body will thank you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these vegetables will you add to your meals first? Tell me in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hack Your Health for more natural science-backed health tips every week. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medication.